Hi, is George here for the interview? Yes, I'm here. Please come in. Okay, thanks. So please tell me, how are you enjoying the process? Can I make you a cup of coffee? That's very kind of you. Yes, please. And answering the other question, it's interesting how this company make it because most companies only give you a test and you have to answer it correctly to continue, and then another one and another one. But you analyze the personality of the people. Yes, I know. And that's what I love of this process because honestly, it's easier to teach hard skills to someone like Excel, SAP, or those kind of programs. But you can't teach respect, order, loyalty, and values. Here, we take care of the gender roles, socializing, and getting in touch with other people. Well, before the interview, I was asked you to tell you that this job is for being a trainee. I don't know if there is any problem with that. Not at all. I want to have a part-time job to continue studying. Excellent notice. So let's start with the interview. Tell me about yourself. What are your strengths? Well, I'm studying international trade with some certificates in international business management, logistics, supply chain, and international law. Also, I am a person that puts passion and love in every activity that I do. Really? So do I. I think that is very important because you have to love what you do. If you do this, all your tasks are going to be great. I like saying that I am an entrepreneur because I enjoy looking for solving problems or improving some processes to increase profits. And also it's important to maintain a good customer relations. That's great to hear because as you know, we are an startup, so right now we need to get on with our customers. Yes, and honestly, when I saw this opportunity, I really wanted to apply because I think that I can provide support in many activities. That's great to hear. Now tell me, what do you know about our company? I investigated in your webpage and found that the values that are part of your mission are loyalty, respect, love, peace, positive relations, and meaning. Also, your mission, if I remember well, is help the world to develop their projects with a smile. Perfect. That are our values and our mission. Let's continue. Tell me three things that you hate. It doesn't matter the topic. Okay, well, maybe I don't like selfish people. Neither do I. Also, I don't like having a boss. I prefer a mentor. And maybe when people don't respect other ones. Okay, perfect. And now please tell me, what are your short-term goals? First of all, to finish my major in international trade and then finish my software engineer studies. I have to ask, why do you want this job? I want this job because this company is a startup and I want to be part of the develop that I could have and that it could have. I have seen many things that you are doing and maybe it's not as big as other ones, but quantity is not synonym of quality, and I'm pretty sure that my knowledge is going to help to create new projects and my values are similar to the ones that has the company. Being honest, I think that you get in touch with all our values. I don't know if you want to ask something. Yes, when could I expect to hear more from you? I'll ask you something. When can you start? If you want, I can stay right now and start working. Excellent. It's okay for you starting next Monday? Of course, it's perfect. Thanks for all. I promise that working together, we are going to be able to develop projects that have a positive impact in our society. I believe you because you have that passion that our world needs. So it was nice speaking and knowing each other. I think that we are going to be a great team. Me too. Thanks for everything. And the tea was delicious. I enjoyed all the process.